What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically get the address that you want to send to, which is in this case going to be your Phantom Wallet. So go ahead open up your extension for Phantom Wallet here and access your account. Now if you're using the mobile version, so go ahead and open up the mobile app for it. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on the receive option here, and from here, since we want to receive Solana, let's go and choose Solana. Let's go and click on the QR code option here and click on the copy option you see here. Now, by the way, just to give you some idea here, our Solana wallet address here uses the Solana network to make the transaction itself. Now, if it's using a different network, it will be indicated in here. As you can see, there are multiple Bitcoins here, which in this case just uses the Taproot or the native SegWit networks. But in our case, since we're transferring Solana, it's going to use the Solana network. So in this case, make sure to copy that specific address here that has that specific network. Let's go ahead and open up our Binance account. Now, in our Binance here, let's go and click on our wallet icon and choose Spot. Now, from Spot, what we need to do is we need to choose the withdraw option. Now, from withdraw, you want to go ahead and specify the details. So since we want to transfer Solana, let's go and just type in Sol here, which is for Solana, and you want to go ahead and enter the address. Now, from here, let's go and choose our network. Now, for network, like what I said before, it uses the Solana network, so let's go and choose Sol. And from here, just provide the amount that you want to send. Now, also keep in mind the network fee that will be deducted from your Solana. So in this case, network fee right now is 0.01 Sol, so make sure you have enough when you're making the transaction. But in this case, once you indicate the withdrawal amount here and click on withdraw and confirm the transaction, you should be able to make your transaction. So this might take a few seconds or a minute before you can actually receive your crypto. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.